Okay, today we're going to be removing the hard drive. Well, we'll do the hard drive and the battery, why not, out of this HP laptop. First thing we're going to do is we got a couple screws. We got to, well, more than a couple. There's these two here. There's these two here. And there's actually more, which you'll see in a second. Okay, little flathead screwdriver. There are some under here as well, under both sides. I usually stick these here so don't lose them. They do stretch a little bit when you take them off. Same thing. Sometimes these don't come out the easiest. Oh, throwing screws everywhere. There's one there that's being stubborn, but there it is. Okay, now this guy you should just be able to lift. I kind of just try and get just your fingers just on that edge there, and then just try and pop it off, just like that. And that is all she wrote. To remove the battery, 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes out. To remove the hard drive, actually just pull it out, carefully unplug. This appears to be taped on. That's it. It's just in a little cradle, and that's that. So there is also an SSD in this computer, and it is actually right here. So that is that one. If you're replacing that one too, then one screw. Ugh, now I've lost it. One screw right there. Slightly lift up and pull back. There you go. That's how you get the SSD out of there. So that's all there is to it.